Good day, students. Today we are going to continue with the problem set, the sums that I had left. So we are starting with sum number 3. In a hockey team, there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie. Out of these, one player is to be selected randomly as a captain. Find the probability of the selection that the goalie will be selected, a defender will be selected as a captain. So here there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie. So what we can do is we can suppose let D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 be the 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and so on. So like I've written it here to save our time. Suppose D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6 are the defenders, O1, O2, O3, O4 are the offenders, and G1 is the goalie. So S is the sample space. So therefore S is equal to D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, D6, O1, O2, O3, O4, and G1. I'm sorry if this is not there. So there are 11 players as we know. So therefore n of S is equal to 11. Okay, so what we can do is, instead of, if you don't write this, it's okay, directly we say S is the sample space, so n of S is equal to 11, as there are, so you just have to mention there are 6 defenders, 4 offenders, and 1 goalie, and directly put that 6 plus 4 plus 1 equals to 11. So that will also do. Okay, doesn't matter, but it becomes easier for me to explain this way. Now here we have, see, out of these 11 players, one player is to be selected randomly as a captain, and the probability that we have to find is a goalie will be a captain. So let us put an event. So this is number 1. Let A be the event that the goalie is selected as a captain. Okay, so event A, there is only one goalie, which is G1. So therefore n of A, that is NA, n of A or NA is equal to 1. Okay, number of sample points in event A is 1, or event point is 1. So probability of A by the formula is n of A upon n of ns, sorry, n of A or NA upon NS. I've always been mentioning as n of A. It is NA upon NS. Okay, so NA is 1 and NS is 11. So this is the answer for the first one, the probability. The second one, that a defender will be selected as a captain. So we can mention let B be the event that a defender is selected as a captain. Okay, so as we know there are 6 defenders, so event B will be, which we have written as D1, D2, D3, D4, D5, and D6. So n of B is equal to 6. So therefore probability of B is equal to NB upon ns, which is 6 upon 11. So that's the sum. Okay, I already told you all in the previous video that the sums are easy. Okay, so this is the sum. Let us proceed with the next question. Question number 4. Joseph kept 26 cards in a cap bearing one English alphabet on each card. One card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? Now we know there are 26 cards and there are 26 alphabets, that is A to Z. Okay, so first we know that the number of sample point n of s is 26. So here s is the sample space. So you can write this way directly. We can say n of s is equal to 26, as there are 26 alphabet, or you can say s is equal to, I'm using the smaller alphabets, so a, b, c, okay, till like x, y and z. Okay, so there are 26 alphabets. So this is the first part. Now one card is drawn at random. What is the probability that the card drawn is a vowel card? So event, so you can say let A be the event that the card drawn is a vowel card. So A is equal to, there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so therefore n of na is equal to 5. So probability of A, the probability that a card drawn is a vowel, that is na upon ns, which is 5 upon 26. So that's the answer. Okay, we can write, please write the answer at last. Okay, that statement. Okay, which otherwise you'll simply lose your marks for not writing the statement at the end. These are all problems. Let us continue with the next question. Sum number 5. A balloon vendor has 2 red, 3 blue and 4 green balloons. He wants to choose one of them at random to give it to Pranali. What is the probability of the event that Pranali gets a red balloon, a blue balloon, a green balloon? So these are the probabilities. So again here there are 2 red balloons, 3 blue balloons and 4 green balloons. So we can represent. So I have represented that. Suppose R1, R2 are red balloons, B1, B2, B3 are blue balloons, and G1, G2, G3, G4 are green balloons. So S is the sample space. So S is equal to, or you can, if you skip this statement also, it's okay. We can say S is R1, R2, B1, B2, B3, G1, G2, G3, G4. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 2, 9. So therefore S is equal to 9. Okay. So now probability is the first one. A balloon, chosen is a red balloon. So you can put number 1. Let A be the event that the balloon chosen is a red balloon. So event A will have both the red balloons, that is R1 and R2. So therefore N of A, Na is equal to 2. So probability of A is equal to Na upon Ns, that is equal to 2 upon 9. So second one is that the balloon is a blue balloon, chosen is a blue balloon. So let B be the event excuse me, that the balloon chosen is a blue balloon. So event B will have all the three blue balloons, correct? That is B1, B2, B3. Fine. So N of NB is equal to 3. Therefore probability of B is equal to NB upon NS, which is 3 upon 9 is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. The last one, a green balloon. So we can say let C be the event that the balloon is green. Okay, I have not written chosen. Okay. So event C, there are 4 green balloons, so which are G1, G2, G3, G4. So NC is equal to 4 and probability of C is equal to number of events of event C and number of sample points. So 4 upon 9, it is not divisible. Okay, so that's how you can do the sum. I hope you're finding the sums easy. Let us solve the next question. Sum number 6. A box contains 5 red, 8 blue and 3 green pens. Rutuja wants to pick a pen at random. What is the probability that the pen is blue? Now here once again we can represent the 5 red pens by R1, R2, R3 till R5, blue pens by blue B1 to B8 and G1, G2, G3 for green pens, which I have already done over here. So suppose R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 are red pens, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7, B8 are blue. I have written balloons, I'm sorry, this is not balloons, this is pens. I think while copying I have considered that balloons pen because I was doing that previously. So these are pens and G1, G2, G3 are green pens. Okay, so S will be all these balloons in the sample space. So NS, number of sample points. Okay, you've got 4 plus 8, 12, 13, 14, 15. So S is 15. NS is 15. Now here, what is the probability that the pen is blue? Okay, that is, who wants to pick up the pen? So let A be the event. A be the event that the pen picked is blue. As we know, there are 8 blue pens, so event A will have B1, B2, B3, b4, b5, b6, b7, b8. So number of even points in A is 8. So therefore probability of A is Na upon Ns, which is 8 upon 50. So that's how easy the sums are. See you tomorrow with the remaining sums of the problem set 5. Okay, till then you can practice the sums and get it done thoroughly. Thank you very much.